the difference is clear. On Saturday again this week, we'll score another one. We'll score another one. And we'll take all the 32 seats. 32 over 32. What do they want to do? They want use it to shine. Far. When you can't use yourself to shine, it is we you want to use. Look at that. One APC man from Rivers went in the talk and said, since I born. And so I went to say, since I was born, say, since I born. You know, since I born, I've never seen a thing like this. You know, God gave you opportunity, you threw it away because you have professional praise singers who don't even know where their polling units are. Time to bring result, they have changed to Students' Union, Labor Union. A whole party that's seeking for power is now a union. All we are saying, I'm a chairman must go. That's not what this union they think. Not what the way labor people they think. Not the thing where party don't want to take power they think. We know go do. Kai. It is not our portion to wear black. I said it is not the portion of River State to wear black. It's our portion to adore very immaculate white. As I'm dancing today, that is our position. Not so. Will you wear black? Will you wear black? Will you say, I'm not going to agree? I'm not going to agree. Okay. On this note, let me invite our leaders.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.